This is You Are My Sunshine, Key of C by Devine. I hope you enjoy how fun this one can be with some kids that you have, like grandkids, neighbor kids, whatever. Maybe it's just you. I mean, it's a super fun one to just belt out. So in the key of C, we have some main chords, but let me interject right here. As always, click on the video description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. All right, key of C, we have three main chords, C, F, G, and that's it for this song. Super simple. So in the key of C, let's go with the C chord, C, E, G, F chord, F, A, C, G chord, move your hand up one note, G, B, D. All right, so we have C chord, F chord, G chord. When our right hand is playing chords, left hand can just put thumb on C, line up all 5 fingers, and play single notes to the chord. F and G. C, F, and G. All right, and the rhythm that we're gonna do is a simple 1-to-2 ratio, which just means together, then just the right hand by itself. Together, right. Together, right. All right, so here you go. Together, right, together, right. Let's add some vocals to that. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I moved to the F, held you in my arms. See there. But when I woke, dear, I was mistaken. See, and I hung my head and cried. Pretty fun. Then it goes into the chorus. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Pretty simple. Together, right, together, right. I think you can do this. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Follow along with me. As always, go back to the beginning if you need some more help with it. Have a lot of fun. Here we go. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. But when I woke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. I'll always love you and make you happy. If you could only say the same. But if you leave me to love another, but will regret it all someday. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. So please don't take my sunshine away. So please don't take my sunshine away.